The sum of 2 and 200% of 1 has the same value as which of the following calculations, okay? So 200% of 1. Let's just think about this. A percent. So let's say we have x percent. That's going to equal x over 100. It's the same way. That's like y. If you multiply this by 100, you multiply this by 100. That's where we get the rule of, like, you just move your decimal 2 places. So we have 200%. So we have our x would be 200%, and that equals 200 over 100, and thus that equals 2. So 200% of 1, so that our 200% equals 2. So 200% of 1, and that will give us 2. And then so we have a sum of 2 and the 200% of 1, which we just calculated. So we just add 2 to that, and we get 4. So then we have to look at our answer choices and see which has the same value. So once you're a pro at this, you can know automatically that it's going to be E. But let's just go through each of these. So we have 100% of 2. That's just going to equal 1 times 2. And then we have 150% of 2. That equals 1.5 times 2. Again, you can just think of this as we're moving our decimal 2 places. And then for C, 300% of 2 would just be 3 times 2. And 300% of 1, 3 times 1. And then we have 400% of 1, which is 4 times 1. And that is the same thing as 4 times 1 equals 4. That's the answer we're looking for. Our answer choice is E.